In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats payment error. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, but the first thing you always want to try to do is you want to restart the app. So fully close it and reopen it, don't just minimize it. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So sometimes Wi-Fi could be a little bit funky, so I always suggest switching between the two and see if that actually gets the job done. Typically, that will fix the issue most of the time. All right, now we have card and payment method fixes. So you need to make sure that you do have the right card added to your Uber Eats account. If for whatever reason the card is expired or maybe it's not active anymore, that is going to cause issues. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on account, then select on wallet right over here, and then where it says payment methods, make sure that it is up to date and all the cards and payment methods are fully working. So any type of typos or outdated cards may trigger instant declines, so please be prepared to change it. And in the payment methods that you do have, please verify that you actually do have enough funds. So make sure you have the funds in order to purchase any of the food or any of the items you're trying to get. And if you're on vacation for whatever reason, keep in mind that international cards could cause a little bit of issue. So if you're ordering abroad or you're traveling, foreign card blocks are very common. So you want to keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.